Hello, this is George Clements, and this is the update slash tutorial video for my game called Live TV for Imed 485, and let's begin. So right now I'm currently at my title screen. As you can see, the name has not changed. I'm not worrying about that. Progress so far is I quickly made menus, you know, something easy for the viewer, or the player I should say, to get done. And right now this is my gameplay. Just as you can see that enemies spawn in through sides, multiple sides, and that's pretty much it. Let me get out of here. So this is the back end code with power up bad guys and points. Right now I am currently running into the brick wall of down here. I've been trying to figure out how to code enemies going into waves, but I want them to stay as one unit so that it's easier. I might have to switch to wave tactics, although I'm not sure how that would work because my vision of the game would basically be there's a set number of enemies come out in like groups, like group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. I should look up the word group instead of waves, but whenever these groups are done, the player would be able to go through there. So that's what I'm currently working on. Movement, shooting, and everything else has been going well. I've been really using this tutorial here, the Beginner's Guide to Construct 3, which goes into great detail on keeping score, as you can see here, adding events, behaviors, and just a ton of useful information, which helped me create the simplicities of my game. And then I've recently been watching this tutorial right here, Spawn Waves of Enemies. I might try to code that in. I've been watching it. I would have to rewatch it again, but I think I might consider doing that if I cannot find what I exactly want and try to modify it to what I want there, because, well, the whole coding part is just of the groups of enemies waves. But other than that, it's just been a long, slow process of me trying to figure out things, because sometimes when I was coding this game, things would just work, not work, movement would stop, and I also have a bad habit of, like, I need to add more, and I need to really worry about my core gameplay, because I really just want to go and add all these features in, but for the prototype I need to keep it simplistic. And yeah, it's been a hard struggle back and forth between that, because I would add things and I would have to take them out because those things are way too complicated. So yeah, other than that, this is really pretty much it. It's not as much as I would go to. I keep on running into brick walls on certain things, but hopefully once I get this figured out, I can go and create the next layout area along with the animations for that. And moving forward from there, just creating the levels, creating different types of enemies. And once I will probably create for this prototype about 7 levels. And once I get all that done, I'll just work on the fancier things for the prototype. So yes, thank you for listening to my update, and bye.